Sounds like. Or minimum, I would say like 10. You buy this at the dealership? Number 8 over here. Hopefully this fits. Yes, I got lucky. Alright, so what I did was I loosened this thing right here, brought it all the way to the back, so then the cable's loose, and then you could just go like that, take it out, and then bam, now you can get this part. And let's see, the other side should be loose too. Let's go this way. Yep, look at that, loose, bam, loosey goosey. I'm gonna put this baby back on so it doesn't spit out some codes. Put that there for now. Now I can take off this exhaust. This cable's in there. And that's exhaust, came off. Fucking garbage. This clamp that the Yoshimura exhaust came with, this one's too small. It won't go on. So, but it's still on. You could ride it like this, you'd be fine. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Harbor Freights and buy a clamp for like $3 or so. And I'll put it on there. So fucking Yoshimura, you motherfuckers, giving the wrong clamp size, you bastards. Oh yeah, I'll start it up real quick. Let me just put this bolt in real quick. What do you mean American? This is a Japanese bike. Yeah, it goes like that. That goes in there, like that, bam. So, did you go to the DMV too?
Yeah, I went to Blink too.
Yeah, I haven't done that, but I've been. Oh, and I won't. I'm pretty good.